Hi, I'm YY Yuan, and this is Mehdi Zhang. We both come from the Education University of Hong Kong. We are going to talk about the differences between remote and virtual laboratories. First of all, what is a remote lab? Let's have a quick tour of our remote lab, which is a place to develop and house some remote-controlled or online experiments. As you can see, each experimental setup is quite compact and contained within a box with a microcontroller for internet communication. Besides, there's an IP camera to deliver its visual output. The experiments could be about chemistry, such as petroleum chemistry, chemical equilibrium, isothermic reaction, and oxidation, or about biological processes like fermentation in winemaking and the respiration of plants under different colors of light, or about physics and technology, such as lighting technology, electrical circuits, optics, like refraction and polarization of light, and environmental science, like the generation of landfill gas for a month or longer. A learner can use any computer or mobile device to control the experiments and get the output at a remote place. While remote lab is emerging rapidly in recent years, virtual labs have already become very common in many online STEM education platforms or offline education software. Basically, those virtual experiments are simulated or computer-generated using some known or simplified scientific laws or mathematical equations. They are usually delivered in the form of cartoons, animations, videos, and more recently, engaging virtual reality and augmented reality with learners' input or control. After getting a quick review of the remote and virtual labs, we may now make a direct comparison between them. For the nature of experiments, remote lab can deliver real-time and real-world results, possibly with new discoveries, but the results from virtual lab are pre-programmed and non-authentic. For the duration of experiments, remote lab refers to the actual time scale, which may be a few minutes up to a few months long. For virtual experiments, the timescale may be edited to fit with the schedule of the lessons. For some less well-known phenomena, remote lab can still provide proper and new results, but the simulated results of virtual lab may be incorrect or inaccurate. For error detection, remote lab can provide information for error analysis, which is often absent in virtual lab. For other aspects like the development cost, maintenance, and physical space requirements, the differences between the two types of labs are quite obvious. In conclusion, there are unique advantages and problems associated with each of the two labs. Your choice will depend on your actual needs.